Welcome, fellow PC enthusiasts! If you're on the hunt for the best airflow PC cases that offer top-tier cooling and sleek designs, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 PC cases that provide excellent airflow to keep your system cool and running smoothly. Whether you're building a gaming rig or just need a case with great thermal performance, we've got something for you. As always, you can find the latest prices for these cases in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Number 5 Cooler MasterBox NR600. Kicking off our list is the Cooler MasterBox NR600, a budget-friendly case that doesn't compromise on airflow. Despite being on the more affordable side, the NR600 offers decent ventilation and an elegant design that will fit seamlessly into any setup. Its minimalist look, featuring a clean steel chassis and tempered glass side panel, gives your build a sleek and sophisticated appearance. This mid-tower case is spacious, supporting a GPU up to 410 mm in length, making it compatible with most modern graphics cards, like the latest AMD and NVIDIA IA models. The interior is roomy enough for a CPU cooler up to 166 mm in height, and you can fit up to two 360 mm radiators for liquid cooling, one at the front and another at the top. There are also spots for a 120 mm radiator at the rear. In terms of storage, the NR600 offers plenty of room, with 4 x 3.5 drives and 5 x 2.5 SSDs. The front I/O includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, an audio jack, and a power/reset button, but it does lack a USB-C port, which is common for budget-friendly cases. Overall, the Cooler MasterBox NR600 is a solid, affordable option that checks all the basics without breaking the bank. Number 4 Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact. Next up, we have the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact, a case designed for maximized airflow and optimal cooling performance. As cooling became a top priority for gamers and PC enthusiasts, mesh front designs took over, and the Meshify 2 Compact is a great example of this trend. Its angular mesh front panel ensures excellent airflow, which helps keep your system cool under heavy load. Available in 2 versions, one with a solid side panel and one with a tempered glass side window, this case looks great, whether placed on your desk or tucked away. Inside, you'll find ample space for cooling options. The case includes one 120 mm fan and 2 140 mm fans right out of the box. But if that's not enough, you can fit up to 7 x 120 mm fans for extreme airflow. Number 3 Corsair 7000D Airflow. At number 3, we have the Corsair 7000D Airflow, a massive and premium case designed for extreme cooling and high-end builds. This spacious case provides room for big components, like the ERT X4090. Its maximum GPU length is a whopping 450 mm. The Corsair 7000D truly shines when it comes to cooling options, offering up to 12 x 120 mm or 7 x 140 mm fans. You can install 3 360 mm radiators, front, top, or side, to create your ideal custom cooling loop. Included with the case are 3 140 mm Corsair air guide fans, which have anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow in the right places. You'll also get PWM fan control to manage up to 6 fans via a fan repeater, making this case perfect for those who want to take their cooling setup to the next level. Number 2 NZXT H9 Flow. The NZXT H9 Flow is a visually stunning case that doesn't compromise on airflow or cooling performance. Known for making some of the most aesthetically pleasing cases on the market, NZXT has outdone itself with the H9 Flow. This case features a sleek front and side glass panel, offering a beautiful view of your internal components while still allowing for great airflow. Inside, you can fit up to a 360 mm radiator at the front or side, as well as a 240 mm radiator at the top. The side panel serves as the main air intake, ensuring optimal airflow into your system. Plus, there's plenty of room for additional fans, up to 10 in total, to maximize cooling. Number 1. Lian Li 11 Vision. Taking the top spot is the Lian Li 11 Vision, an improved version of the iconic Lian Li 11 Dynamic. This case is a masterpiece, featuring a continuous glass design that wraps around the chassis, offering a stunning view of your system from every angle. With its twin-chamber design, the O11 Vision separates the components of your build into two sections: the main chamber for your CPU, GPU, and motherboard, and a rear chamber for the PCU storage and cables. The O11 Vision provides plenty of room for high-end cooling options. You can install a 240 mm radiator at the back, 360 mm at the side, or a dual 120 mm fan setup at the rear. The side intake can fit up to 3 120 mm or 2 140 mm fans, ensuring your system remains cool under heavy loads. The case can also accommodate up to 5 drives and has removable drive cages for flexibility. For I/OU, you'll find 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, and an audio jack at the bottom of the case. Overall, the Lian Li 11 Vision is a top-tier case for anyone looking for excellent airflow, premium build quality, and a gorgeous design. It's the perfect case for anyone who wants to build a high-performance system with stunning aesthetics.